Flash crash. Bitcoin nuked to 111,000. Over 1.7 billion has been liquidated. Binance flows are spooking the market. But I think this is a bear trap before October and some of the biggest gains in Q4 yet to come. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why. All right, so let's talk about what just happened first. Bitcoin dumped from 114K to about 111K in under 10 minutes, dragging the total crypto market cap down almost 4% to 4 trillion. CoinGlass shows this was the largest liquidation day since December 2024. 1.7 billion wiped out, mostly from longs. The Bitcoin open interest dropped. Majors such as ETH and Solana lost much more. ETH down 5.7%. Sol nearly 11%. Lots of leverage coming off of the alts. It's not just Bitcoin. So now this has people screaming Binance dumping. Big transfers moved from Binance hot wallets to Wintermute, a known market maker. Important. When funds move like this, it's often liquidity management, not outright selling. Market makers refill during volatility so they can provide liquidity. Then CZ of Binance drops this. Maybe we haven't hit the real bull market yet. That's a narrative grenade in the middle of a crash. It frames a dip as a mid-cycle, not the end of the bull run. Next, let's talk about some signals that this is a bear trap. And if you're finding this information helpful, please smash that like and subscribe. It means so much to me. Okay, so let's talk about the signals. So signal number 1, liquidations, heavy long wipeouts, but Bitcoin is still holding a higher daily low. That's a classic bear trap fuel. Signal number 2, leverage reset. So funding flipped towards neutral. Open interest cooled down. That's a healthier reset behavior. And signal number 3, the macro. Stocks do remain at all-time highs. Liquidity is intact. It's just that crypto flushed faster. And check this out. The fear and greed index flipped to fear after spending a month in greed. We're at the 60 last month, 63 last week, and now in fear in the 40s. Usually these flips happen right before a big reversal. That's why I think we're spring loading into October. Markets are fueled by these wipeouts. A sudden dump triggers cascading long liquidations, forced sale overshoots, and then the market makers scoop liquidity, and many times buys start printing in right afterwards. Once the forced selling stops, spot buyers step in, and usually you get violent reversals. So remember, flash cash crashes often have upside rallies afterward. So here's what I'm watching next. The daily close. Are we staying above the bull market support band on Bitcoin, which is currently in the high 90s or around 100K? And yes, that's true for now. ETF flows. So are we seeing a red day, which is usually a dip buying day? And also on-chain activity. We're seeing strong usage from the big altcoins. Then in all of this, the altcoins took the hardest hit. As I said, ETH is down about 6%, Sol down 11%, Hype is almost down 9% all in one day. So if this is a bear trap, usually Bitcoin stabilizes first, then the altcoins are going to catch up with a vengeance. So here's my view. This is the bear trap before October. I expect October to be green. Q4 could be some of the juiciest gains we've seen this cycle. And none of this is financial advice, but I'm scaling into the strongest coins slowly and waiting for confirmation before going heavy on the alts. Do you think this was a bear trap before October or the start of something worse? Drop your comments below. Thanks for tuning into this one, and cheers.